Today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Intel Corporation stock. This stock has currently broken out from an important resistance level, and along with that there are multiple positive factors which has already triggered and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position before a big upside move get triggered. Dear friends, if you'll make a closer look, this was on top where the stock had given the price wise correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel, and as long as the stock was trading under this parallel channel, the stock got corrected with stiffly downside by the price wise. First lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows over here, and the last lower lows here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, first time its lower lows sequence change into higher highs, and this is a point where we got and two major positive signal. This is a point where the game started to change. The very first positive signal is downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side. The moment this channel get break on the upper side, the fall which was coming drastically downside got an immediate rejection. And the second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that point as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. And now we will check the third signal, and that will be a diversion. If you'll place an R, the diversion indicators that MACD, you will be surprised to know there is a diversion between the price action and the MACD histogram. The price action lower lows tilting on the downside, and MACD histogram is tilting on the upper side, and this is an area where we got in breakout and it will going to pump the pressure on the upper side. And finally, the most important signal, that will be in chart pattern. If you'll see over here, we got a very positive signal, very positive chart pattern, and that is a rounding bottom pattern. It's already got broken out. This is an area, it's already broken out from the neckline, and very soon we will see the upside target of $44. This will be our first target, and the second target will be 45.50, and in between this will be an area where the stock may face in rejections. So near $42.50 the stock may face a rejection, and it may come down to retest, and then it will start the journey again. So there might be a possibility that you may get a retest, so you have to keep your mindset ready accordingly. And finally, my dear friends, this area of the neckline will act as a strong support because multiple positive factors got triggered over here. This was an area where we have seen downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side. This was an area where we have identified lower lows shifted to higher highs. This was an area where we have checked the positive diversion between the price action and MACD histogram, and this was an area where we have witnessed the positive chart pattern breakout, that is a rounding bottom pattern. So with due respect to all the positive breakouts, this area, with confirmation of all the positive factors, this area will act as a strong support. So far this area was in resistance, but now after the multiple positive breakouts, the resistance turned into an important support. So your stop loss should be below this strong support. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really like my technicals, hit the like button of the video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.